Hi everybody, my name's Melissa and welcome back to Hopeful Happenings. Today I'm using BookBolt to show you how to make a no content book. So we're going to go down to the BookBolt designer here, and this is how we're going to make our cover. We are going to use a 5x8 size because that would be a nice notebook size, and since it's a notebook I'm going to go for 120 pages. And you'll see as soon as it starts to load that the cover will be two sides, and the right side is the side where the words will go, right there. And I'm going to start off by getting some visuals. I am not an artist, so I'm not going to upload my own design, but I could if I wanted to. Instead, I'm going to see what they have. I'm going to type in drawings and see if they have any drawings that I like. And they do have some. I like these flowers. I think these definitely could look cute as a journal. What else? The mountains are nice as well. Probably not what I'm looking for. And these are nice as well, but not exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to keep scrolling through and see what else they have. Okay, yes. Cats would be great. I like this. I like that they're drawings, and I'm going to see what this looks like. Bigger. I'm liking this. I think I would like to see this smaller. I think I would like to see more cats. That's what I've seen looking on Amazon. I've looked at other journals and I've seen a repetitive pattern. So I'm going to go on the right here, clicking patterns and grid repeat. That is going to repeat my design over and over. And you can use this with anything that you upload. So it's really cool to have that repeat. Now on the left, I can do an effect if I'd like. I can add some distress to this. I think I will. I like that. Now, BookBolt gave me a killer Black Friday sale for you guys where you can get the BookBolt program for $6.66 a month, and you can renew it forever at that price, which is amazing. So all of that will be linked in the description below, and it includes the PuzzleWiz as well. So back to our design, I'm going to take off this distress because it actually does show up on text, and I want to see what it would look like if it did have some text here. So I'm going to go down to the side where it says shapes. I've got a box, and I'm going to resize that to be the shape I want behind my text. Once I'm happy with my shape, I can duplicate it here on this left corner. Bottom left corner, I can duplicate the shape. I'm going to resize it and put it over top so that I've got a little border here. So top left is where the colors are. I'm just going to resize this to be what I want. That looks good. And the color is not right. I'm going to pick a color that's actually in the journal. So I'm going to see if I can get the same brown that the cats have, because that's going to look a little bit better. That looks pretty good. I think I'm happy with that. And resize that on there. So now I have a perfect little box that can put journal, notebook. I think I know I'm going to put composition notebook in there. So I'm going to go up here on the left to text, and I'm going to pick the text that I want. And they have a ton of options that you can download, but with the ready-made ones here, I'm just going to pick one that looks good. Righteous. Righteous is, it looks fun. It looks like it belongs in this style. Composition notebook is what I'm going to put down. And I've seen a lot of composition notebooks have the same kind of layout. So I can fix up my text here. I can change the color of my text on the top right. So I'm going to change the color. And I don't love the brown. So I think, okay, black is better. I like black more. So I'm going to keep it black. Just resizing that here. Putting that there. And I'm going to say a little bit more about what kind of notebook this is. So write just again. Oh, you know what? Scratch that. I'm going to duplicate my text, which is same as duplicating shapes, bottom left corner. You can duplicate it. And then I'm going to explain a little bit more about what kind of book this is. So it's going to be a wide ruled 120 page notebook. And the great thing about this is that you can easily resize everything that you're working with. And you can also save your progress if you want to download it and then change it later. You can go back to it. And it's important to do your research, go on Amazon and see what is already selling, what kind of things are saturated, because that is going to help you in designing your own notebooks. You want to find something that people actually are looking for, but you don't want to be completely copying other styles or other designs. I've seen a lot of notebook covers have these 3 lines on them as well, just to kind of show that it is a wide ruled notebook. I'm just going to put that on there. And yeah, I'm happy with this. I think this looks pretty good. I could tweak it a little bit, but for showing you in this, I'm happy. So I'm going to save it. I can save it here as a design. That way I can go back to it and work with it if I want to. And I'm also going to download it to show you what it looks like when it's downloaded. Click here. And there it is. That's the downloaded final design. This is what you would be uploading to KDP Amazon. That's what you would be uploading, that design. So we're going to do the interior. Top right. Here we have 120 pages. We have the same size. And now I have all of these interiors to choose from. So many interiors. This is what I love about BookBolt, is that they have these interiors for you all made, and I'm going to do wide ruled. That's the one I want. Click that. I already got 120 pages, and that's it. Done. I already have my entire interior book fully designed, and I'm downloading this, and I can just upload this to Amazon KDP with the cover, and I'll show you how to do that in a next video. Thanks for watching.